Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on this DeLonghi. This machine came in with a clogged group head. We cleaned and cleared the clog, also cleaned and cleared the basket in the portafilter. There's a crema enhancing basket that sometimes can get clogged as well. See how the double shot comes out. Pre-infusion, and here we go. Nice shot. Crema. Start some steam over here. Comes out nice and strong. Clears the chamber, you can hear the pump on. There we have some nice strong steam coming out. Go back to your coffee and just turn that off and reincorporate water back in. Temper the temperature. Anyway, there you have it, a nice strong shot. DeLonghi. Thanks for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.